Hi everybody, welcome to week 1 of English 103. This week is all going to be about getting to know each other and getting to know the course. And we're going to start doing a little bit of writing, doing a little bit of reading. And I wanted to, in this video, just give you an overview of how to understand how I've set up Canvas so you can figure out in any particular week what you have to do that week. So if we scroll down here past the Start Here module, which is really all introductory and reference information, we go down here to week 1. This contains, everything that you need to know for this week. So a list of tasks and information here numbered in an order that I'm suggesting that you do these things. So the most important page here is going to be the overview, which is going to lay out exactly what's going on this week. So every week I'm going to give you a list of learning objectives, a short overview video. This video is probably going to be a little bit longer than most of them. And then a task list, which lists the things that you need to do. So at the top under the objectives, these are telling you what we're trying to accomplish this week. So you can read those. And then a task list I have divided into 3 sections. So you have learning materials, Zoom meetings, and required assignments. So the learning materials include stuff that you have to read or that I want you to look at. So for this week, it's going to be looking at the stuff in the Start Here module, and it's going to be reading chapter 1 of our textbook. Okay? Then we're going to meet twice this week on Zoom. We're going to meet on Monday to get to know each other. We're going to meet on Wednesday to talk about the reading. I anticipate us meeting on Zoom, once or twice a week. So we're going to be kind of a combination between asynchronous and synchronous in this course, and we'll kind of see, how that goes as the semester goes on. And then below that is required assignments. So for this week, there are 4 things that I want you to turn in, and this will vary every week. It'll probably be fewer things. Many weeks. But this week I'd like you to post an introduction to yourself in the discussion, okay, and I'd like you to do that before we meet on Zoom on Wednesday. I'd like you to schedule a meeting with me, so this is a link to a Google Doc where you can sign up for a time, just a short 10-minute get to know you meeting, give you a chance to ask some questions, figure out, how to navigate Zoom for my office hours. There's one thing that I'd like you to write. So this takes you to the assignment description, basically kind of an introduction to yourself as a writer, and then there's a syllabus quiz that I would like you to do. It's not really a quiz so much as, in the sense of a test. It's more of a survey, and it kind of reviews the information that's in the syllabus and asks you some questions, so it gives you a chance to give me some information and ask questions you have about the syllabus. Okay, and each of these things, whenever it's possible, includes a link to that item or to that activity. Okay, so if you pop back out to the module, you can see the items that were listed in the overview. You can find here as well. Link to the discussion, to the Google Doc. The links to the Zoom meetings list what we're going to do that day. So I'll give you an agenda so you know what we're going to be talking about. And then I give you this link so you can get to the Zoom meeting. Okay? So if you have any questions about anything, shoot me an email or ask me during that 10-minute meeting or during class when we meet this week. So that's it. That's week 1. Let's get going.